Hey guys, welcome. Another day at Plus Performance. Today we have this. This is a turbo. In my last video, we showed the turbo that was sent to be rebuilt and it's back now. I want to show you how beautiful this turbo is. And I think every owner of a turbo car want to do this some point in your life with the car. Okay, I'm not sure you remember how before, but look at this now. Now these guys are pretty great, like, you know what they've done. They followed, first of all, clean all the turbo stuff out, the housing, the intakes, and all that stuff. And the color they chose matches the OEM factory spec color, so it looks pretty much like brand new. And one of the key things I want to show you is this. This is an actuator for the wastegate. Now earlier, a lot of play was there, but now if I were to go in there and move this, you see that it's almost zero play in this. This is kind of like a shaft that goes in and has like a conical shape to this, and that's why it kind of fits in correctly and the movement should be very minimal, but now it's just beautiful. And if I turn this around, okay, yeah, I turn this around now this way, the wastegate inside, you can see there the play on this. Oh my god, there's nothing, no play. This car is going to have so much more power than before. I can't wait to put this back on the car, even inside. So they're probably like this some sort of I think sandblasting. I think it's all sandblasted. They clean all the stuff. Probably it's now better, or airflow is better on this car. And they painted. This seems like high temp paint, you know. Correct?
No,
like high temp paint.
We just sandblast the TRV.
Oh, nice. Okay. And if I flip this inside, be careful there. The fins, look at that. There's a marker there. That marker probably is for them when they spin this at high RPM. They can do testing to see how fast it's spinning. They can capture by seeing the movement of the fins. That would be the marker they use. Beautiful. And on the whole side, let's flip this around. Okay, this is where earlier you saw it was broken. Again, there, look, beautiful, man, beautiful. Okay, I can't wait to put this on the car. And this is, I think, a better option. So your turbo fails, what do? Normally, what we do is we will go and buy a half-cut unit. So to give you an idea, a half-cut unit for a turbo is about 3,000 plus ringgit for a half-cut unit. A new one will cost like 6k, 7k, about there, for a brand new unit. And they say, oh, half-cut unit is good, what? You know, it's low mileage, you can use it. But it's never new because it's wear and tear on the car. This will cost something like 2,000 ringgit for this particular model. Each model is different, obviously. For 2k, you get something better than new, almost, because even new, there are manufacturing defects and they're not tested one to one. I mean, the manufacturers make the turbo, they put in the car, they will do random QC checks on the turbo, and you're not guaranteed to have 100% working turbo. It's more of as best as they can do. These ones are individually machine checked, and you're assured when this leaves the factory where it's rebuilt from, this is a working proper turbo with new internals, and obviously everything has been tested. So this is probably a better option than new, in my opinion, because 1/3 the price, 100%, if not more, better than the original unit. So yeah, I can't imagine why you buy a new one. This seems to be a better pick, and the fact that, turn this around, they've gone and cleaned all this up for you. So not only you get a new turbo, but everything else linked to it has been nicely cleared for you. Make sure it's flat, it's finished properly. So yeah, what a great deal. If your turbo is lacking power and it's leaking, come to us at Plus Performance and we will get your turbo looking brand new like this. Oh wait, bonus footage. So we also have got this. These are upgrades. So these are the fins. These are the core. These are the cores for your turbo. This is for an N20 engine, N20 turbo. And what happens is they can actually upgrade your car to use these fins. They will change the shape of the fins, how they look like, how much air it'll capture, and it's more efficient and you get more power with internals.
For comparison, this is the original one.
Yeah, so I'll give you a comparison. There are two here. This is the original CHRA, isn't it? The CHRA for N20 turbo, and this is the upgraded one. So I'm not sure if you can see this side by side. Let's move this around. Yeah. So they are much different. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fins here, but here the design is different. This is like 4 or 5 here, and there's 5 underneath. So it's like 5 upper, 5 lower. These are like similar, but the design is just different. It's just smaller here, it's bigger there. It just looks really different. Even the bottom there, there's this spots there to capture the air, which are not on the original unit. So it's just a lot of engine that goes behind to make it just a better unit. And again, over here, you can see they are obviously much more different. Over here, much more tighter than this. So yeah, so if you have an N20 engine, come to us and we can rebuild your engine with improved cost.
And also this one is much lighter.
This
one is
aluminium.
This one is billet. Both
this
of them are aluminium.
These are billet.
This one is billet.
So they take out material to make it lighter.
Yes.
Okay, bro, you have the answer. If you got the turbo engine, come and see us and we'll make it plus performance better. Cheers.